quick little video. I printed a puzzle, and I'll show you what you have to do to put it back together. I hope. And it's been several days since I made it. And then I made one of these. It's not printed in place. It was all separate pieces, and then I use a marker to uh, uh, color these numbers because even though I have a printer that has up to 4 colors, I did not want to take the time to print that in you know 2 colors basically. So I just mark those things. But anyway, this little handle here is when you go like this, you have to let it go fast, and it snaps, and then this number changes as you can see. And oops, there we go. And this thing here is part of the spring load for this thing, and I need to put it back inside here. So let's go ahead and shove it back where it belongs. And there we go. And as you can see, just changed to 20, so it's 520. So that's a nice little calculate, a little uh, thing that you can calculate, or I'm sorry, mark, how many times you push this. So if you're counting something, then this would be a pretty good thing to have. So it's practical. And then this one is not practical. This is just a puzzle. And basically, what you have is you have 5 pieces. You have several pieces, including this piece and these pieces. So there's 6 of these, and you need to put them in this box without anything sticking out on this side. Okay. So this one came out from this position. So it was going like this. So that's how you put it back together. So let me just show it to you in reverse, okay? So this goes on the top. And then this one goes on top of that. And then this goes on top of that. And so these 3 pieces goes like this. So let's call them a T shape. And then you put this piece here, like that. Then you can go ahead and put this here. And then you put the box over, just like that. And whoops, one of these things fell out. And then here's a lid that goes over that. So that's how you solve this puzzle. Let's call it the T puzzle, T like Tony. And that's all I have to show you for now. You have a fantastic day.